My dear friends, today on 25th of April 2024, I am happy to train my two mentees, my primary school mentees. So, one is Sai and other is, what is his name? Puneet. So, one boy is fourth grader, Puneet, and so third grade Puneet and fourth grade Sai Ganesh. They have come to me. They wanted to learn, how to drill. So I told them, when there is no one with me, what I will do is, see, today I wanted to put a hole on a clamp. See, usually no one will be there with me, so I will be doing alone on my own. That's why I have developed a lot of techniques on my own. So today what I did, I have arrested the movement of the clamp by using two screws are there. You can see one steel one the other one black one. So now that won't move anywhere. I can nicely drill it. Now what I am trying to do, I am trying to put finally, I wanted to have a inner diameter of the hole near about 8 mm. So far I have reached raising the drill bit diameters to 4 mm. After this 4 mm, I will use another 1 or 2 bits more and finally I will go for 8 mm. Directly if I put 8 mm and the kind of revolutions per minute the drill machine is making, suppose in between if the bit stucks in between because of the material quality of the clamp, that's it, we'll have a problem. Maybe the bit might broke or the job may go bad. That's why. Okay, so slowly I am trying to raise the inner diameter of the hole required to 8 mm for my another. I am making this component as a sub part of my today's tinkering. So I am going to explain all about that tinkering, once this part is ready. Most interestingly, I am going to tell you today I am going to work with a project where you will be amazed to know about that project. Okay, so I wanted to have alarm and control for my sump. When the water level go below the predefined value, that must give alarm. At the same time it must stop the motor also, so that the water in the sump further it won't go down. That's one condition. And the second condition, it also must give us alarm and actuate the actuator to turn the water direction. Instead of going into the sump, it must go to my another sump. So that kind of decision also is required. So all these things I will be doing today and tomorrow. So this is a component which I am going to prepare for that, holding the sensors and all. Okay, then ultimately what I mean to say to all that if being I'm an electronics engineer, I have my thorough concepts clear in electrical and mechanical, and the tinkering means all together. Okay, so we have to have the skill. So slowly we have to raise ourselves. That's where I'm so happy that Puneet from 3rd grade and Sai Ganesh from 5th grade, they have come, and every single step of it they are learning. Are you all happy?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you wanted to see my guys here? Oh, they are the guys here. Okay, so they are the learning. Okay, this is my drill setup and doing all that. Fine. Okay, let's work. So my dear students, once again you see we have raised the inner diameter, okay, of the hole little more bigger than the previous hole. Okay, so we have changed the bit from 4 mm to the next level. Likewise, we are going to use another drill bit that will be final to keep our sensor fit into that hole. Okay, so how the sensor is going to work, what kind of sensor and all, oh my god, you will be amazed to know about all that. Okay, so you will be really enjoying once we complete this tinkering, then you will see how nicely you will enjoy that. So sensors are very interesting. There are many kind of sensors. They are all very interesting. So let's explore one by one and make use of all the sensors one by one. So during the summer holidays, I will record as many as Tinkered projects and then share with you all. Okay, then wait for the next clip, next bit, next tinkering. Okay. So my Puneet asked me this question. Sir, why are you using water in between? Yeah, of course, that can also be a question for you also, or otherwise you can also ask me that question, why I am using the water. Okay, because of the water, oh, I don't want to tell you. You yourself have to find it out. Okay, but that is very important. So you need to figure it out. And also I'm using a wood piece under my drill machine, my drill bench. And that, the thickness of the wood also is very high, almost 1.5 inches. You can see that. But now I'm asking the question, why is it I'm taking support of the wood piece with such a good thickness? Okay, and also while drilling, I'm using the water in between. Okay, you need to figure it out. And for every time when I'm changing the bit, at that time I'm cleaning the clamp drilling area also. So you need to answer me this, why is that intermittently I'm cleaning, and why is it I'm using the water, and why is that I fix this clamp onto the wood plate. Okay, these are interesting questions for you. Carry on. Okay, we have changed the bit for the final required ID to make the inner diameter required for my clamp. Okay, see, I'm giving, so that's how we are raising the speed of the bit, and at the same time we also press it down so that, while rotating, while the rotation is on, while the drill bit is spinning, and I give the downwards pressure to the drill machine, that's where the hole is going to happen. See, simultaneously while I am holding my cell phone in right hand, on the left hand with my thumbnail I am pressing the drill machine's button, you see, and at the same time I am so you can see the way we are doing the drilling. Okay, then this is how you need to learn, my dear friends.